lovelies. So I'm waiting for the Amazon delivery man to bring me some things for my bathroom. So I'll tell you the story behind that. The bathroom here was built probably in the late 60s, and it's got black and white floor tiles. It's got tiles, floor to ceiling, white with black and white sort of trim. And it's vintage. It's obviously vintage. The bath is vintage, the sink is vintage, but we've got a shower, and the shower is, well, the lady that lived here in the 60s, she went over to Sweden and she saw that they all had these shower rooms, no actual shower tray, just the tiled floor with a drain in the floor and the shower over the top. So when she came back, she got that done. And it's like that ever since. So it's like, it's only just in the last recent years come fashionable in England to have this shower room thing, but she had it in the 60s. Anyway, so we were thinking of completely doing the bathroom, having it all modernised with get rid of the bath, have a shower, with glass doors and all that. It would involve having all the floor tiled and the walls tiled, the whole thing. Probably cost about, I don't know, 10, 15,000, maybe. It's quite a big bathroom. It's not little, tiny bathroom. It's big. In fact, it's so big that we had it split into two rooms. That, we had a wall built and a door in the middle so that, you could have a utility room in the first part of it and then the bathroom in the second part. So we're trying that with the bathroom. We've got new shower thing and new curtain, new rail, new everything. So because I looked at we had visitors and I tidied all the bathroom, moved all the clutter and anything like that. And I suddenly realised how nice it was and how we didn't need a new bathroom and how that, if people everybody's got the same modern tiles, modern suite, and, shower and everything, which is nice if you've got a modern house as well. But this is an old house and, it really suits the bathroom that's there. So that's what I decided to do, just sort of tart it up. I'm going to put some plants in the window and I'm going to put a thing across the bath, like some wood, and put all lovely big plants on it, make it, that would look lovely against the white tiles and that kind of thing, and spend about £100, if that, including the plants, rather than thousands to have a new bathroom. Anyway, so that's what I thought we'd do. And I'll show you a picture of that when it's done. The other thing is, I had an art student for a private lesson last week, and she bought me this lovely plant, which is a bromelaid, I think. I'll give you a close-up of that in a minute. Anyway, that was lovely. And the thing about this is, this plant, this is not a flower. It looks like a flower. It's hard. The leaves are rock hard, really hard. And what happens is, the leaves, if you've never seen one of these before, I've seen them, but I've never had one. The leaves turn green and turn down. So at one time, these leaves here would have been red, and the red here and then white in the top, and they all go green. So I imagine it will grow quite high. I'll have to research that. It will grow quite high, and it's absolutely lovely. I love the leaves. I love the green leaves. So it'll probably grow high and the leaves will come out. So this one might be a good candidate for the bathroom. I nearly said new bathroom, but it's not new at all. It's very old. So anyway, so I went to a charity shop as well. When my sister came down, we love going to charity shops and looking for antiques and things. And I came across these beautiful plates. I'll show you a close-up of those as well. There's a dinner plate. They're Royal Doulton, and they're old. They're scratched and worn, and they've been used. And this is the soup plate. Is it the matching one? Yes, it matches, because they're very similar, aren't they? Royal Doulton and Crown Derby. They're all. This must have been the fashion then. Like these colours, the navy blue and the gold and the red, must have been fashionable because Royal Doulton and Crown Derby use the same colours. Anyway, they're lovely. So I just thought I'd show you that. And the other thing was, I've mended 3 things recently, the other day, in fact. One of them being that lamp there. The toddle switch, they are quite old as well. The toddle switch would not move, it was seized. So I just sprayed a bit of WD-40 in there. Voila. Fixed. Wonderful, because I do like those lamps. The other thing was my greenhouse door. It was like pulling teeth trying to open that thing. And I could only get it open about that much, just enough to squeeze through. So my husband helped me, and we cleaned out the top runner and like a valley that the door slides on, and the bottom one, and he cleaned it out, and then he WD-40'd, put WD-40 on it, cleaned that out, and then he put Vaseline on it, and now just do that and it's open. Brilliant. The other thing is, I got this lovely, gorgeous little evening bag, and it's very hard case and sparkly glittery with a glittery knob on top that you just press and it opens. And it wouldn't open. It only opened, like here and there. And I sprayed WD-40 on that as well. And look, it's perfect. It opens. So I keep my glasses in that. But isn't that lovely? Show you a close-up of that as well. So there we are. So that's what I've been up to. Don't know what you've been up to. Let me know in the comments. And that's that. So I will be doing another video very soon out in the garden. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from the land of mist and legend. Ghost stories coming up too. Bye for now. See you next time.